In this video, I'm doing a USTD Cash Secured Credit Card honest review. Watch before you apply, to help you understand what this card really offers and who it's best for. The TD Cash Secured Card is designed for people looking to build or rebuild credit. You'll need a refundable security deposit, anywhere from $300 to $5,000, which becomes your credit limit. TD reports your activity to all three major credit bureaus, so using it responsibly can help you improve your credit score over time. Unlike many secured cards, this one actually earns rewards. You can earn 3% cash back in one category of your choice, 2% in a second category, and 1% on all other purchases. These bonus categories can be changed every quarter, which adds some flexibility. However, there's a $29 annual fee and the interest rate is steep, around 27.24% variable APR, so carrying a balance will cost you. There's also a 3% foreign transaction fee and standard charges for cash advances. The good news is, with consistent on-time payments and smart usage, TD may eventually upgrade you to an unsecured card and refund your deposit. The downside? Rewards redemptions have minimum thresholds, so casual spenders might not see quick returns. Overall, this card is a solid choice if your goal is rebuilding credit while earning a bit of cash back along the way. Just be sure to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid the high interest. If this honest review helped you, hit subscribe for more straightforward credit card insights every week.